Hello class 9 children. So welcome to today's online class. So let me discuss a new question today. So here is my question. The radius of a circle is 2.5 centimeter. So this circle I have drawn here. For this question actually diagram was not given. So I have made a diagram here. So its radius is given 2.5 centimeter. Okay, let me read other part of the question. AB CF, these AB and CF are the lines, they are the two parallel chords and they are 3.9 centimeter apart. Distance between these two chords are 3.9 centimeter. So let us begin first with your chords. So let me draw two chords, one is AB and the second one is CF. So first I am drawing AB. So this is my chord AB. And let me draw the other chord CF on the opposite side. Let me draw here. The diagram will look very beautiful if I draw on the opposite side. If I draw in the same side, there will be lots of things very close and work will become very dirty. So let me write the name here as AB and the second name as CF. Now distance between these two chords is 3.9 centimeters. So let me make a distance between these two chords passing from the center. So distance between these two chords. So distance between these two chords is how much? It is 3.9 centimeter apart. So you can just draw in a stylish way writing here 3.9 centimeter, but you can draw this way also, the distance between these two chords. You give an arrow. With this arrow we will understand that distance between these two chords is 3.9 centimeter. This is the way of drawing. Now if AB is 1.4 centimeter, find CF. So value of AB is given, you have to find the value of CF. AB is 1.4, but you know any line coming from the center of a circle, the chord is divided equally into two halves. It bisects, so it is divided equally into two halves. So your 1.4, AB is 1.4, so it will become now 0.7 centimeter, and this one also will become 0.7 centimeter, because 1.4 if you divide into two equal halves, value of each will be 0.7. Very simple. Now you have to find CF, and let me remind you, as I read in the beginning, the radius of circle is 2.5 centimeter. So always we draw radius here, you know, at this part we draw radius, but this time we will draw two radius, because one circle will be formed, one triangle will be formed here and the other triangle will be formed on the top. So we will draw radius two times, and you know radius for the same circle you draw 2 times or 3 times or 10 times, value will be same, and its value is 2.5. So here I will write 2.5 centimeter, and here also I will write 2.5 centimeter, because both are equal. Now you have to find CF. Don't forget, we have to find CF. Now children, I will tell you the technique now. First I will begin from this part, this triangle, because this triangle two things are given, this hypotenuse and base is given. But if I start from here, one problem is there. This hypotenuse is given but this perpendicular part is not given. So you begin from here, then work will become very easy. So what I will write here, let me write here the center as name as O. So what I will do, I will begin my solution writing a triangle's name. Let me take triangle OA and let me name one point here, ABCF. So here I will write D, because name was not given, so I wrote it here name as D. So let me take triangle OAD. So in triangle OAD, so in this triangle this hypotenuse is given, the base is given, who is not given? Perpendicular. And let me tell you that this is 90 degrees, so this is perpendicular. Okay, So perpendicular formula I can apply. So here perpendicular name is OD. Perpendicular's name is OD. So you can write OD is perpendicular and its formula of P is h square minus b square root over. So OD value will come. Now you know who is h? H is 2.5. So you can write 2.5 whole square minus base will be your AD and AD value is 0.7. 0.7 whole square and there is root over here. So you put root over also here. 2.5 means it's just like 25 only. 25 square is 625. So 2.5 square will be 6.25. 625 but 2 decimal numbers 6.25. Very simple. As 7 square is 49 but 0.7 square will be 0.49. This will be the value and its root over. Now we will subtract. Now 15 minus 9 will be 6 and here will be 1. 11 minus, here we have 4. 11 minus 4 will be 7. Then both decimal will come here and this will become 5 minus 0. So after subtraction I got 5.76. Actually root over 576 is 24. So but when there is decimal here 5.76, my answer will be not 24 but 2.4. So I got the value of OD. So children, I got the value of OD. Good news that I got the value of OD. Now I will move on this triangle. So I will write the details here then. So here my heading will be in triangle, the upper part triangle, like I wrote my one name here of my own. So A, B, C is here, D is here. So this is F. So I will write a name here E. It's a name of my own E. Okay. Now I will take in triangle OEC or OCE. Okay, OCE. So in this triangle, one thing I want to say, now I can get the value of OE. That time I did not know, but I can know now. How? Because the total distance between these two chords is 3.9. So from D to E, it is 3.9 and O to D, OD is 2.4. So everything minus 2.4 means 3.9 minus 2.4, this value will be, we will be getting. So what you write? OE. In this figure, OE is DE minus OD. Means everything minus OD is equal to OE. And what is DE value? DE value, you know, the distance between these two is 3.9 given. So you can write 3.9. And OD value, just now I got, OD value is 2.4. So that you subtract, you will get the value of OE. So how much? 9 minus 5 is 4 is 5 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1.5 centimeter. Now we can find the value of CE. If I know the value of CE, I will know the value of CF. How? Double. Because the chords are bisected equally in two halves. If I know one half, the other half also is same. So that way I will now find the value of CE. So as per this diagram, here is 90 degree. So if it is 90 degree, if it is base, then this will be perpendicular. And if this is base, then this will be your perpendicular. So I am deciding, let me take this as base and let me take this as perpendicular. But you can even interchange your idea because base and perpendicular can be interchanged, no issue. But hypotenuse is fixed. So I will take CE as base. So I will use base formula. So I will write CE equal to my base, and base formula is h square minus p square root over, and my CE value is about to come. Now who is h here? H is 2.5 whole square, and perpendicular just now I said OE and its value is 1.5. So 1.5 whole square and this is root over. Let me tell you, 2.5 square means 25 square is 6.625, but here I will write 6.25 minus 15 square is 225, but here I will write 2.25. So very simple now. This both of them will subtract and become 0 0. So it is 4.00 root over, and that means root over 4 is actually 2. So 2 centimeter. So I got CE as 2 centimeter, children. That means EF also will be 2 centimeter. That means my second answer has come. That means my answer, find CF. Therefore CF will be double of this 2. That means 2, if it is 2, then another also will be 2. So my answer will be 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 means answer is 4. So my second code has come. The first code was 1.4 and the second code is 4 centimeter. So this is my answer, children. I hope you understood. Thank you, children.